Everyone, can you see this phone? It's a water damage. The phone has fallen in the water. The phone cannot on. So now I open the phone. I'm about to walk in the phone so that the phone can come alive. Can you see how the water is being inside? So it makes some kind of colors. Can you see very well? For here I've cleaned. I've cleaned the body. Now can you see it's getting clean fine? You can see I'm about to blow it. It's now over the body. That's a water damage. So this is how you work in water damage from the center to the keypad. So it's the process. You see blow it very well. So now I'm about to test to see whether the phone is good. You see now the phone come alive. The work has good. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe, like and comment and subscribe in this channel. That can help us to bring a lot of updates for you guys. Thank you for watching.